Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have some very easy DIYs. I think these turned out beautiful and they were so inexpensive. I did use mostly Dollar Tree items. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. I'm going to start out with the family sign. So from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use one of their long signs. The one I'm using is from Christmas, but right now Dollar Tree is carrying St. Patrick or Easter's long signs you can use instead. Now, because I'm using the back, I did have to smooth some of that out because the staples left some holes. And now I'm going to paint the sign using some white chalk paint. To make this more my style, I'm going to add some wood planks to the sign, and I did use a color pencil. Using some Waverly chalk paint, I'm going to distress the sign just a little bit. I'm going to make this blend a little more by sanding it out. For the word family, I'm using this wall decor sticker from Dollar Tree. I am also doing the technique my friend Antoinette from Simply Yet Chic did in one of her recent videos. She cut off all the letters from the sign, and I think it made the sign look so much better. And I think you won't be able to see a lot of the plastic by doing this. Once I am done finishing arranging them where I want them to go, I'm going to just start sticking them to the sign. To secure it some more, you can add some Mod Podge on top of it, but I'm not doing that. The next thing I will be using are the Dollar Tree sticker letters to put where life begins and love never ends. I went ahead and used a Sharpie to outline the word family, and I think it made it look so much better and more high-end. Now, to finish this off, I'm going to just wrap some shoestring around the edges. And if you want to be able to hang this to your wall, you can add a piece of nautical rope or shoestring to make a hanger. But what I added was a sawtooth hook to the back. And that is it. This was so easy and so inexpensive to make. I think it turned out beautiful, and the best part is that you can use this all year round. For my next DIY, I will be using this wood pineapple from Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the leaves. Now I'm going to stain this using the Waverly Antique Wax. And look how nice this looks already. Now you can leave it like this. But what I decided to do is use the transfer sticker sheet from Dollar Tree and cut out the word gather. And then I am going to just transfer it to the bottom corner. I was down with an illusion, like a
a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up.
And look how nice this made it look. Now from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use this greenery. I am using one pick. I do have 2 picks of these, so I did end up cutting 2 stems off of the other one just to make it look fuller. To finish this off, I'm going to add a beautiful double bow I made using the Dollar Tree lace ribbon and some burlap ribbon. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful, and the best part is you can use this all year round by switching the greenery. For my next DIY, I'm going to use one of these decor signs. This is from the fall, but once again, Dollar Tree does carry these right now. The St. Patrick ones you can use instead. Now I'm going to just sand all the glitter off and then paint this white. I wasn't sure what I was going to do, that's why I painted this white. If I knew I was going to add the calendar on top of it, I think I would have just left it like that. Using the Dollar Tree calendar, Simply Blessed, I'm going to use the month of February, and I'm going to just trace the decor sign right on top of it. Since it's not big enough for this, I'm going to just try to cut the Simply Blessed little part with a little bit of the greenery. Then I'm going to use my regular glue stick to glue it to the little sign. I'm going to use a piece of the garland y'all guys have been seeing through my entire video. I remove a little stem off to add it to this decor sign, and in order for it to stick good, I decided to tie 2 of them together in the center using some jute twine. I was only planning on using 2 small stems, but I ended up adding 2 more later on. Before I glue this to the side, I'm going to make a double bow using the lace ribbon from Dollar Tree and this little burlap ribbon that I got from Michael's. I tie the greenery and the bow together. Then I'm going to glue it to the sign using hot glue. And this is where I added the other 2 pieces. I thought it needed some more, and it totally looks so much better with more. And that is it for this Simply Blessed decor sign. I think it turned out beautiful.